Hi, this is Erin from Bridgeville and South Fayette Libraries. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own liquid hand soap. Just a disclaimer, the soap I'm going to show you how to make does not kill COVID-19. So you'll need a few ingredients. You'll need water, Castile soap, an essential oil that has antibacterial properties, and an empty pump container. So Castile soap, what is that? You can get it online and it comes in a liquid form. And there are different varieties. Find it made using hemp oil, olive oil, or coconut oil. And it's a really concentrated soap. It's about 3 times more concentrated than the usual hand soap that you pull off the shelf. So you have to dilute it before you're able to use it on your hands. You can't use it straight from the bottle. So another thing to know about this is that when you make your soap with the recipe we're going to share, it has a shelf life since it doesn't have the preservatives in it. So you'll have a shelf life of about 2 weeks, so keep that in mind when you're putting your proportions together. And then the last thing to note is that the consistency of your soap is going to be kind of runny and a little watery, so not quite what you're used to with store-bought soap. So without further ado, let's get to soap making. Now to make the soap, we start out with the water. I have a 1/4 cup of water in here, and it's a 1-to-1 ratio, so I have a 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup of soap, and then I add the soap to the water here in my container. And the reason we do that is that it helps avoid a lot of bubbles forming. So I just add this here slowly. This is super easy. So just final step here, 5 drops of my essential oil, and then I put my lid on. I give it a shake, and then you can see there, I'm done. That was super easy. Now if you notice over the coming weeks that this mixture starts to separate out, all you have to do is give it another shake and the ingredients should mix up again. So that's it. That was super simple. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you have a good week. See you later.